What's up, guys? Professional bass angler Jacob Wheeler here, and
Justin Martin. Look, we today are leaving the boats behind.
hey, I'm leaving the blinds.
Yeah, we're leaving it all behind to teach y'all how to cook. Ain't that what we're known for?
Now, this is the thing. Now, obviously, this guy has taught me a lot throughout the years of how to cook, but we have the ballpark season just around the corner. MLB is kicking off here very soon. And so I figured I would take you guys and teach you one of my favorite recipes or one of my favorite things to eat at the ballpark.
Now look, don't get it mistaken. We're no Matt Pittman, we're no Jess Prowse, but we do know what tastes good. I mean, look at me, look at side profile. Anytime you see that, I know what tastes good. So, anyway, Jacob's gonna go first. What do you have? What are you cooking for us
Man,
today?
this is the thing. If there's one thing that I just love when I go to the ballpark, it is eating a bratwurst. Okay, brats are awesome. And so we're gonna dive into it on the grill specifically. There's a certain way to cook them, and I've learned the hard way. I'm gonna show you guys what I've learned along the way, and hopefully they're pretty solid.
Bratwurst?
I'm just telling
What
you.
is a what is a bratwurst?
It's
I'm
flavorful.
curious.
It's good. This is the thing. You're gonna ultimately. I'm gonna place these guys on there real nice. You're gonna cook these to the internal temperature about 160 to 165 degrees.
Right.
The one thing about brats that I've learned, okay, you do not want to puncture that skin. Like it ultimately, when it like messes up, it takes all the juices out of it, and like ultimately, you do not want to do that. So we're gonna turn it pretty frequently and just try to cook him low and slow until towards the end for at least about 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yep, 20 minutes. Simple.
So that's it.
That's all there is to it, dude.
Okay.
Literally, we got, now as you can see that right there, he's got a good caramelization right there, a little caramelized. We didn't puncture. Now the only thing is if you have a temperature probe,
Yeah.
you want to put it in the ends, like towards that time when it gets around 20 minutes or 15, 20 minutes and you want to see if they're done. That's a good time to, try it at the end so that way you don't puncture the whole casing.
And that's cooking bratwurst.
And that's it. That's all you got to it.
All right.
I will tell you, this is the thing, okay? You can do a lot of different things as far as condiments and different, onions and jalapenos. You can play around with a whole bunch of different things if you want to. But we're gonna keep it simple. What do you need? Ketchup, mustard.
That's it?
That's it. You got the brat, you got a bun, ketchup, mustard.
What if you don't eat ketchup or mustard?
You know what's so great about brats is they have so much flavor, it doesn't matter.
That's good.
It's still good.
Because I don't eat either one of them.
Oh, you do not?
Really?
No,
good stuff don't need that. That I've always called condiments camouflage.
Yeah.
They kind of hide imperfections in what you're doing. If you're a good cook, you don't need all that.
All right.
And just a standard bun.
A standard bun, you can get whatever you want. I always go one side, and then go the other side.
I don't know, Hammer. He's still pretty hot to the touch.
Is he?
Mm-hmm. So this is bratwurst.
Hold up. You think he's a little hot?
Well, I'm just telling you right now, that's hot.
Is it?
Touch it with your finger.
He's a little warm.
My finger's way tougher.
I'll put him
than
down
my
here.
tongue.
We'll hold on for a second.
No, let's go for it.
You gonna try it?
I'm gonna try it. Let's.
All right, your first bratwurst.
First brat here. Oh yeah, he's hot. He ain't that hot though.
No.
Oh, he's hot. That's different.
Pretty solid.
But it ain't bad.
Dude.
That's pretty good.
Okay. 20 minutes hanging out with you, man, just like that.
I'd eat him at the ballpark.
It's money.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely.
I'd eat him at the ballpark.
Oh.
That's good.
All right, y'all, we are going to finish up these bratwursts right here. I appreciate you hanging out with me. I finally got to cook in front of you, know what I'm saying? Like, you caught me all along.
And you did it well. This is good.
Bratwursts can be really easy. Got to take a little bit of time and effort, a little bit of paying attention. But at the end of the day, my favorite ballpark food. And that's how you bring the ballpark to your backyard. Thank y'all for watching.